Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to book a hotel in booking.com step by step. First, open the app and then log in into your account. Once you've logged in, on the home screen, go ahead and enter your destination. Then browse through available hotels and select the one that fits your budgets and preferences. Check the details like price, location, amenities, and guest reviews carefully. Then tap on select room and then click on reserve or book now. Then enter your details like your name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and then your country or region. Then click next and then click on book now. That's it. This is how you can book a hotel on booking.com. Subscribe for more simple